Samuel, what you did?
Sandcastle.
That's a sandcastle.
I do it more level. Surprise day.
It's surprise day. Hey guys. Samuel, relax. Guys, it's been a while, we know. But you know, life been lifing. But welcome back to another video. Hope all is well with y'all.
Yeah.
So today, Samuel and I will be going on a little adventure.
To the beach.
We're going to the beach, right
My
guys?
surprise.
He believes it's a surprise for him. Let me
So
give you a
this
little...
Saturday,
Okay,
no swimming class with Rebecca and me.
okay,
Justin.
okay. Are you finished?
Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry. I have to do it more.
Okay.
100,000 million.
Can I get a chance to talk now?
Sure.
Thanks. Yes, guys. So, we've been a bit busy. We have things to do. This little beach outings for Sam and I. It wasn't planned, right? I believe it was from last week. Sam have been wanting to go to the beach, but I'm not a beach girly. It's not my thing. But anyways,
Yes, you are a beach girlie.
I'm a beach girly.
Yes, because you know mommy and daddy is a little daddy.
Okay.
You kind of know
Yeah. So what happened?
sometimes.
Samuel asked to go to the beach, and
For my surprise.
he said to me that he wanted to go to the beach, and I was like, no, this happened from earlier in the week, and I tell him, no, I'm not going to the beach, and he's not going to the beach either. Guys, little boy looked at me and said, Mommy, we'll see about that.
We will see about that. You will see about that, children
And
and parents.
it wasn't my intention to go to the beach at all. But then, I believe it was Monday, when I'm a co-worker, I went to visit her, we were talking, and she asked me, so she planned to go take the kids if I want to come with Sam. When she said that now, I said, hold on, I Samuel link you. Must be Samuel. I'm thinking link you because,
Most of us.
you know, a couple days ago, he was saying whatever and he wanted to go.
Guys, look
So-
at my thing.
So yeah, I just say, alright. I always say we need to make time for him, and you know, yeah, in the hustle and bustle of life and getting things done, you need to make a little time for your child, right? So yeah, that's why I'm going. We have some stuff that we've been dealing with, so Chris will do that solo today, right? While I go with Sam. Samuel, I'm talking. We'll be going, where is this? Ocherias to Bamboo Blue. I believe that's the name, Bamboo Blue. Yeah, I think so. We've been there before, all three of us, but no, Sam and I will be going back. Right, so we're gonna carry you guys along on this journey with us so that we can give you all this a little vlog. It probably won't be long because you know we now have the phone the whole day and whatever. You want to say something?
Can you subscribe for ChriSamz so we can have a lot of subscribers?
Thank you guys. You hear that? He's asking you to subscribe so that we can have a lot of subscribers, right?
Yeah, I like subscribers.
And what else they need to do?
Shamoya,
What else they need to do? Stop calling people name. What else they need to do?
They have to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
That's it.
I
So-
want that on YouTube.
So guys,
I want magic will come up when it says like, subscribe, and share. It will make magic.
Okay.
On your phone.
So guys, when Chris come in, because we stop somewhere now before him carry me to the meeting point. So when him come in, make him say a little eye. I'm not sure he'll be videoing what he's about today. I'm not sure. So we'll see, but we'll check back in, alright?
Huh?
Good morning. Good morning. Did not answer. Good morning.
Chris. Jesus Christ. You're vlogging today?
You have vlog?
You vlog your part, what you will be doing?
We now do not have a vlog.
Yeah, do things but nothing exciting.
I'm doing things but not for this vlog. Later down then we know.
So not even a piece?
No, because you have to give away what we are doing.
Alright. So I guess this is high and bye for you.
Hi guys. See you later.
Okay.
Fish! Sure, look, there's a lot of coconuts there.
Guys, we reach, as y'all can see, the breeze is up. I don't know if you're hearing me, but yeah. Samuel, what's that? That's a pool. Guys, I don't know what's happening. It won't rain, but it don't want rain. Like, if you look, you see my glass is wet. Because it was just raining, place was dark, but then now, sunshine. I know we gone again. Like, we don't know. Samuel. Hello. Are you saying hi? You forget you're doing a video? Yeah. So it's raining, we have to run. Sam, what's that? Samuel, what you did?
Sandcastle.
That's a sandcastle.
I do it for not going to stop. Of course! You want everything?
A few moments later.
Guys, so we're back in Kingston. Vehicle change. Chris come, if you want to call it that. So yeah, contact Chris. Boy, me contact you for come get we.
You can tell that you both contact me.
Oh no. Oh, you want a job?
No.
Yeah, but yeah. So yeah, we stop at KFC, and so I guess this is the end of the vlog. That's been not doing nothing else, guys. So I guess thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, someone done telling me from the beginning of the video, so you should subscribe to ChriSamz. Go ahead and do that and make sure to share it, right? So we'll see you in another video. And remember, the journey continues. Bye.